So hi guys, yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel guys, and in this video we are going to be talking about school relationships. I'm sorry for the background noise that's in the background. So the first thing I need to take note of is that an average school relationship lasts about 6 months. It can be more, it can be less, but that's the average. So one thing you have to bear in mind is that at any day, at any time, it's just going to be over. It's just going to be over. So you should not be like surprised if something happens. Just expect that at any time the relationship will be over. Okay, so let's get into the actual process. Now you have to always make sure that there's always outings. Like people cannot be in a relationship if are never going out. So you should always go out like 3 times in 1 week if you are close, like people in the same city or whatsoever. But for those who are having distance relationship, I'll be talking about their own case in very soon the video. Now this one is very important. You have to think of third party spoil relationship. When I talk about third parties, you are meaning things like friends. You can tell your best friend, you can tell your close friends, yes, but when you tell now many of your friends, it's not going to spoil the relationship because sometimes they can give you bad advice also. Especially, I remember that when I'm in school, like if something happens between a boy and a girl that are dating, like the boy will take it and go and tell the friends, like many of them in a group at one time. Those kind of things are not good. It still helps spoil your relationship. Saying this, I mean that like if you have a problem with your partner, you and her should join together and solve it. You mean that very relationship get bad. I mean that will slowly spoil your relationship in such a way that you not even notice that if your friends are doing it. Yeah, another thing is that sometimes there are always tests. Like your partner can be testing you to see whether you're able to meet up with standards. You're able to meet up with his standards. People need communication. Okay, communication is the thing that people always need to be talking. For those of you who are like in a distance relationship, people can be texting all the time. Yes, the thing that sometimes that I'm talking in my own case. If you are just texting so much, like for example,
hi B, I love you, I wish you were here.
That kind of things, like the same time for me it was going to get boring and I'll just stop it. Seriously. So text, but don't then over text or don't then cross the limit. You understand what I'm saying? You always sacrifice, guys. That sometimes your partner is going to be heartbroken or whatever. So you have to also sacrifice. Sacrifice means that you need to sacrifice going out, leisure time, your free time, partying. And sometimes for those of you who are in school, you even need to sacrifice your classes for your partner. Don't just dive into conclusion. Like for example, your friend come and tells you, hey, I saw Jennifer the other day kissing a boy. I don't know if it's about you, whatever. Don't just conclude, and before you even want to take any step, try to find out if it's true. And if it turns out that it's true, don't just go and say you're breaking up whatsoever. Try to go and meet her or him and ask them why do you do this? Why do you do that? Because it's possible that they were doing it to save the friendship that people had, but they can be doing it for other reasons. You don't know, so just try to ask for rushing to conclusions. Sometimes your friends' decisions matter. As in, sometimes it's going to help and build a relationship, or sometimes it's going to help and spoil the relationship. So just know that at the end of the day, everything is in your own hands. It's you to make the decision of what you want, what you don't want. Okay, so I've come to the end of the video, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe, ask your questions in the comments below. I'll answer all your questions, and you can check our playlist up here that has more study tips, and I'll see you in my next video.